Friends, today I will show you how to make a 12-volt dimmer circuit. First, I have taken a voltage regulator MOSFET and also using a good quality heat sink. Notice the terminal diagram of this MOSFET. Then I made a 1000 microfarad 35-volt capacitor negative connection to the heat sink and a variable potentiometer to the first terminal of the potentiometer. I made the positive connection. A 470 ohm resistor is connected between the gate of the MOSFET and the gain of the MOSFET is connected to the number 3 terminal of the potentiometer. Then with a 3-terminal connector, I connected the first terminal to the negative of the capacitor and the second terminal to the positive of the capacitor and the third terminal to the third terminal of the potentiometer. The circuit is done. Now see here, the voltage will be out through the first terminal. Voltage will be in through the second and third terminal. Now I will test the circuit. I installed a bulb for this. Notice that when I increase the variable, the light bulb keeps coming on. Again, when I reduce, it will slowly decrease. That means it is working in dim form. So friends, today I am showing you a voltage dimmer circuit. If you like the video, please give a like to the video.